Struggling with that frustrating Doordash identity verification error? You're not alone, and today we're going to get you back on the road. First, let's tackle the most common culprit: a blurry or unreadable photo of your identification. Doordash needs to clearly see your name, photo, and all expiration dates, so ensure your driver's license or government's ID is valid. With no glare obscuring the details, hold it steady against a plain, dark background to maximize contrast if your ID is expired or close to expiring. That's another frequent reason for rejection. Double-check the expiration date and consider renewing it before trying to verify again. Next up, your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the verification process, leading to errors. Try switching from Wi-Fi to your cellular data, or vice versa, to see if a more stable connection helps. Make sure you have a strong signal. Sometimes simply restarting your phone can clear up temporary glitches that might be interfering with the app's ability to communicate with Doordash's servers. If you've tried these steps and are still encountering issues, it's time to reach out for direct assistance. Navigate to the help or support section within your Doordash driver app. Look for options related to account or identity verification problems. They usually offer options to chat with support or submit a detailed ticket explaining exactly what you're experiencing. Be sure to include screenshots of any error messages you see. Patience is key here. Providing clear information will help them resolve your issue faster. Once your identity is verified, you should be able to accept deliveries smoothly again. Remember, keeping your app updated is also crucial, as updates often contain bug fixes that might prevent these types of issues in the first place. With these tips, you should be back to earning with Doordash in no time.